Hi guys, today I am going to tell you about the forecasting of the climate. Let's search up of what is it? Let's see. Got it. Global warming forecasts trace their history back to the works of Swedish chemist Svante Arrhenius from the 1890s, American geologist Thomas Chamberlain, 1892, and British engineer Guy S. Callendar, 1930s and 40s. In the 1950s, after oceanographers Roger Ervell and Hans Suess published research findings concluding that human beings are now carried out a large-scale geophysical experiment by discharging greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Ervell, director of the Scripps Institution of Oceanography, recruited geochemist Charles David Keeling to begin the process of taking long-term measurements of carbon dioxide or CO2 concentrations in the atmosphere. I'm sorry if I say because the words are actually kind of hard. Now, when Keeling started taking CO2 measurements, like that's carbon dioxide measurements, at the Weather Observatory at the top of Mauna Loa volcano in Hawaii and on the continent of Antarctica, he established the baseline for collecting the data that will begin the modern era of global warming forecasting. Since Ervell's and Keeling's landmark work in the 1950s, global warming forecast research was expanded to develop projections based on concentrations of other greenhouse gases such as methane, the principal component of natural gas, that's methane, carbon monoxide, and nitrous oxide, as well as temperature data, precipitation, weather patterns, and specific ecosystems. If you do not know the words, please search it up in Google for the words. Let's go to the next. This is really tiring because the words is not really that easy. Global warming forecasting and research formats, however, have tended to be linear or vertical in nature, i.e. focusing on observations of singular data sets over time, such as carbon dioxide concentrations, temperature trends, wildfire frequency, heat wave frequency, water scarcity and water stress, polar ice thickness, permafrost melt rates, Arctic sea ice melt rates, snowpack levels, snow melt, sea level rise rates, or frequency and severity of floods and hurricanes. Now, you guys might want to be a forecaster in the future, right? Am I right? Well, if you don't, then whatever. I just wanted to tell you that I found a very interesting website. It says climate change. The forecast of 2018 is cloudy with record heat. In August 2007, Doug Smith took the biggest gamble of his career after more than 10 years of work with fellow modelers at the Met Office's Hadley Center in Exeter. I don't know where that is, so I'm pretty sure you do. In UK, yeah. Smith published a detailed prediction of how the climate will change over the better part of the decade. His team forecasted that global warming would stall briefly and then pick up speed, sending the planet into record-breaking territory within a few years. Now, I've been saying global warming instead of climate change, but then they're just actually the same. But sometimes climate change decreases temperature while global warming only increases. So it's kind of different, but still the same. Let's see. I guess that's all then. Well, thank you for listening, guys. I hope that you like my video. Thank you. Bye.